Okay, here we go. I'm going to start with another vegan dish. It's going to be spinach sweet potato hash with some TVP protein and lentils for the meat part of the hash. Start with my avocado oil like I always do. Gonna put some diced onions in there. That's how I pretty much start everything. Once the diced onions get some color onto them, then I'm going to add 1 Sorrento pepper and half of a bell pepper to it. And some garlic. And then once that kind of cooks down 2-3 minutes, then I'm going to add a cubed sweet potato. In this case, it's a yam, not a sweet potato. You can tell by the color the sweet potato is actually yellower. That's going to cook for at least 30 minutes once I put that in there. You know, for the video, I'm not making you wait that long. I'm cutting to it. But then I'll add my TVP, which is textured vegetable protein crumbles. You just add hot broth to them. I use the Better Than Beef, no beef bouillon for my broth. I actually add a little bit of sun-dried tomato in with it, a little bit of salt, a little bit of pepper. And that's, you know, my favorite way to do it. It gives it that kind of meaty flavor. I also had some pre-cooked lentils I kind of mixed in with it also. You can see I'm stirring it all in there. I'm going to let that cook down for another probably 5-10 minutes. Just everything get nice and soft. Then I'm going to add my frozen spinach. Let the frozen spinach go in there for a little bit. And then I top mine off with some egg whites. Because I am veganish. I'm not fully vegan. But you could just use just eggs also to get you that same kind of hash at the end, because hash has to have eggs in my opinion. And there's the final product.